Guys, this is Donzia. Welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to be a data reseller and make money with ajosdata app. So without no further delay, let's get started. So this is me on Play Store. You search for ajosdata app. Once you see it, this is the app. MSOG developers. So as you can see, we offer instant recharge of airtime, data, cable TV, and electricity bill. So once you download the app on Play Store, you are going to sign up. But I won't be downloading the app on this phone. I'll be signing up using their website. As you can see, their sign up page. So what is required is your full name, username, your email address, your phone number, your address, your registration address. Okay, referral username. Here you can input those here. So leave blank if no referral. But since for the purpose of this video, you can just input those here in capital letter. Then your password, maximum of 8 character, mixed with letter, e.g. as you can see, example is here, Musa1234. Then you confirm the password and then you agree to terms and conditions. Then you sign up. Now let me sign up because I already have an account with them. Sign up. So I'm going to enter my username and my password. Authenticating. Welcome to ajosdata. To enjoy our referral program, refer a friend. Dear partner, MTN has increased MTN price. Therefore, we have to do an upward review price. Thank you for choosing us. Okay, this is just a notification. Immediately, if you are logging in, as you are logging out, whether on their app or on their website, you'll be getting this notification. So, fund wallet. Let me back it. So, whether you are on the app or you are on the website, you have to fund your wallet first before you be able to do a data transfer for anyone. Okay, as you can see, you have to fund your wallet. ATM funding, Monify, automated bank funding, manual bank funding, and coupon fund. I'm going to be going for the automated bank funding, with a charge is going to be 15 naira. With automated banking funding, you are going to be using your ATM card for the funding. Account number. Okay, as you can see, account number. This account number will be charging from money. This is the account number. The charges is 15 naira. Ajosdata, you are going to enter your ajosdata username, your bank name, the bank for this account. The bank name is Money Point Microfinance Bank. So as you can see, automated bank transfer. Make transfer to this account to fund your wallet. So let me make transfer to this account so that I can fund my wallet and show you the complete zero balance on my account. So let me fund the wallet so that we can proceed for the benefit. My profile. So as you can see, my wallet is funded with 1000 naira because I already added the charges to it. As you can see, here is the receipt of the payment, Monifying payments receipt from ajosdata. Okay, so now I want to buy a data. I'm going to click on here, the buy data. Whether you are using the app, on the app you are going to see it on the app, but I prefer using their website because I don't want to have the app on my phone. Just for the purpose of the video, I'm using the website. As you can see, SME data code for checking the data balance for MTN is *461 *4#. For gifting MTN data, as you can see, the code is there, *131 *4# or *460 *260#. For 9mobile, the code is there. For Airtel, it is there, and for Glo, it is there too. So now I want to buy a data plan. I'll just click on the network. I'll be using Glo. The mobile number 091 52 60 18 82 1882. Okay, the plan. So is it 1 gig gifting at 470? I'll be buying at 470 and you'll be selling at the rate of, is it not 500 for the Glo? I think it's 500. If it's 3 gig, you buy at 940, which you'll be selling at 1000. 7 gig, you buy at 1410, you'll be selling at 1500 naira. As you can see, you calculate your profit. As you can see, this is for Glo. So let me try MTN. So as you can see, MTN, then the data plan, SME data plan. So I want to do a Glo transfer, but I won't clear the number, so I will just click on the plan. For Glo, 500 SME days for 30 days, 130 naira. You'll be buying it at 130 naira and you'll be selling at, is it not 250 for 30 days? 1 gig SME, you buy at 220, you sell at 500 or 550 depending on your location. 2 gig, you buy at 540 454, you'll be selling at the rate of, is it not 600 depending on your location. As you check the data balance, you can even sell for the 500 MB at 300, just depending on your location and how demandable the data is. This is for MTN. So let me go back and go for Glo. Then data plan, I'll be gifting 15 days, 800 MB at 540. This is okay. I'll be paying 470. Are you sure you want to gift it? Dear Jones, are you sure you want to buy a data 1.8 gig gifting as well for 15 days? 192 this number? Yes. Glo, view receipts. Just for the sake of this video, successful purchase of Glo service name Glo, plan size, previous balance, new balance, amount, the phone number, the transaction ID, the response. It is very, very fast and secure. If you are using Ajos data, you won't have any problem being a data reseller and making your income online with being a data reseller. So I have a 530. Let me just use it to give data on my other line. The transfer of the money in my Koda account. So let me go to payment, send money. Just one for the purpose of 1050 naira. Select bank. Let me search money points. The account number, I already copied it, so I will just paste the account number here. The account number. Then inside the description, I'm going to put my username, which is Tonzia. Then next. As you can see, money has been sent to ajosdata. Done. Back, as you can see, my balance is 530. Buy data. I want to buy the MTN SME. MTN SME. The experience is as smooth on the mobile app just like on the website too. So let me buy for 2 gig 30 days at the rate of 454. 2 gig bypass number validator. Buy now. Are you sure you want to give data of 2 gig to 09167662330? Yes. Successful. It's instant. View receipt. Just to be on the safer side, as you can see, MTN plan 2 gig. Transaction. My data balance and my account balance is just 76 naira. And you can do settings, change pin, settings for your account as well. The bank name, account name, no password. So I'm not doing any settings. So you can buy it airtime too. Just like I want to pay, if you want to buy the airtime top up for your customer. I'm using the app because I don't want to have. I'm using the website because I don't want to have the app on my phone. But using the app or the website, the experience is just as smooth as this one. So if you find this video useful, don't forget to drop a like button, comment and share this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Peace out.